Part 12. Working on another pancake here.
Is it still on?
Yeah. think so.
That was perfectly round.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Look, see, this is what we did last time. Does that look like a pancake cube?
Yeah? It's like a
It's kind of like hash browns or something. Ew, you just splashed me. I think it's burning. Hold on. Let me do it.
No, it doesn't look like it's burning.
It smells like it's burning. No, it's probably your hair. My hair's not burning unless you caught it on fire. Oh my gosh.
Oh
you
my
caught
God.
my hair on fire. That's like not the same color as the other ones.
Yeah.
It blends in. Okay. Hold on. Ooh.